Hello everybody, hello all you YouTubers, and today I'm going to show you an epic piggy explosion. As you can see, me and my friend filled this whole room with piggies. I know it's not all the way, and we are going to blow it off today. Yeah, sorry, the other guy wasn't, here. He wasn't, here to film the video with me, so I'm just gonna do it myself. Put as much TNT on. Did you just see that? Did you just see that? The pig just morphed through the wall. Okay. As you can see, it's like a... Not really sure what the size. I'm sure it's like a 200 something by 100 by like 80 something. So yeah, I'm going to, this is the size of it. It's like a giant rectangle. Well, look at that, it's like a circle. Piggies, they're about to die. Huh, that's cool. It's like a circle of only where you could see this. That's cool. I didn't know you could do that. That is really cool. Okay. Well, I am going to blow this off. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lagging a bit. It's lagging a lot. It's laggy. Whoa. Okay. There we go. What? It didn't even blow off all. Did you just see that? They're falling through the... They just fell through... Do you see that? They're falling through the... Okay. What? Is this even here? Okay. Save and quit. Single player. Okay. Let's see. So it did explode. That wasn't even there. Oh. Okay. And I'm gonna blow off the last few piggies in a smaller but yet epic explosion. There we go. There we go. Only a few piggies left. Let's go check out what it did. Whoa. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and or favorite, and leave a comment below if you know how to make a game public. End or whatever.